in pain. And our next item is about relieving that pain, whether it's everyday aches and pains or muscle soreness. Dr. Ho is here, and we're bringing in a configuration that is the biggest configuration at the least amount of money that we've ever done. This is a Class 2 cleared FDA medical device for the reduction in pain. So hello, Dr. Ho.
Hello, Helen.
So good to see you.
Great to be here. I'm really excited to be here today, because today we're gonna help many people live a much better life with a lot less pain, okay? Listen, I've been practicing for 30 years. I've seen too many people not living their best life because of their pain. You know, a grandparent not able to play with the grandkids, a fellow who have trouble driving the car or doing the construction work, you know, a lady who has a lot of responsibility looking after her parents, her kids, and her job, and not having the time or the money and insurance for regular treatment with me. It breaks my heart to see someone waste their life away just because of pain. Hey, if your New Year's resolution is to become more active, do more exercise, you know, get healthy and save some money, you need to try my pain therapy system. If you have neck pain, back pain, you know, tension in your shoulder, if you have, you know, hip pain, knee pain, leg pain, arm pain, my device is clinically tested to help reduce your muscle tension, improve your circulation, and relieve your pain fast. Once you try, you understand. Even nothing else works for you, this can help. Now, I'm gonna show you exactly what you're gonna get today, because this is a fantastic package, because I know many of you need to improve your health this year, okay? You're gonna get the Pain Therapy Pro 2-port separate control. So if you suffer with multiple pain, you can treat 2 areas at half the time. You get the small pads for neck, shoulder, elbow, arm, wrist pain, okay, small body part. You're gonna get extra replacement pad, and you can get a pad placement chart and a toll-free number. Now, this is designed for someone to do by themselves, very easy. So if you're a senior living by yourself, no worries, you can do this by yourself. Now, it's rechargeable, okay? You don't need battery. Come fully charged out of the box. You can get relief the first day you get this. You're also gonna get the pair of the big pads here for back pain, hip pain, knee pain, you know, large area of the body. You love those. If you exercise and you get muscle ache, well, use that, relieve the pain, so you can keep your resolution to continue exercise. If you work with pain every day, you wanna use this at work to keep yourself feeling good all day long. You can get travel case, instructional DVD. This is portable, okay? You use it at home, at work when you're traveling. Now, normally, what I just showed you, we sell on our own Doctor's website for $220, and we sold millions of units at that price. But listen to this, today only on the shopping channel here, home shopping network here, you're gonna get all this extra replacement pads. Now, all those are reusable at least 50 times. If you do the math, okay, you're gonna get about 500 treatment or more with the pads alone. Listen to me. When you come to my clinic, I use the same device on you, and we charge you $100 per treatment. So 500 treatment equals to $50,000 worth of treatment at least you're getting here. But we don't stop there, okay? I wanna give you something so big. You're gonna get a pair of the portable foot and leg relief pads. You can use those everywhere, okay? I use them on the airplane, keep the circulation going. If you like a foot massage, ladies, after this long day in your fancy shoe, you're gonna love those. And we have a say, doctor never says no, okay? This is wonderful. Okay, by the way, I was on hsn.com this morning. I read all the reviews. Oh, it made me feel so good, so happy to see so many of you are buying this as a gift for your husband. Many of you are now sleeping better, working better, playing more, and just getting through the day without your usual pain. This is designed for everyone, but if you're middle-aged or senior, you need to use this twice a day, because as we get older, our muscles are just not the same. They get tired, they achy. Using this system help your muscle feel strong, you know, keep the circulation going, and relieve the pain so you stay active and stay healthy. Now, let me show you how easy it is to relieve the pain. All you have to do, put a little pads right there, okay? You just stick it on wherever you have pain. Turn it on, you can select the mode. There's 7 modes of therapy, so you can customize the treatment for your particular pain. Okay, now it's very powerful, so go step at a time. This little button here, I just press it one step at a time, at a certain level, whoo, there you go. You feel this incredible sensation deep inside your muscle. It's not on the skin, it's deep inside your muscle, okay? And right away, you feel like somebody's massaging your muscles from the inside out. Now, what you'll feel is it'll stop and you get different stimulation. Our device is not like anything else out there. We have what we call AMP, auto-modulated pulse technology. My device will output 372 different stimulations. That means your nerves and muscle will never adapt to the same stimulation. What it really means is, after just one treatment, okay, 20 or 30 minutes, you say, wow, I'm starting to feel a lot better. I can actually move a lot more without that same pain. Now, my system is guaranteed to work even for the worst kind of pain. This is a professional TANS and EMS device that's cleared by FDA. Let me show you some of the features. First of all, there's 2 ports, so I can treat 2 areas at the same time. It's very powerful, but it's not painful. It actually feels more like a massage, okay? You got auto sleep timer, so because I know many of you have trouble sleeping because you're pain. Well, you just set the timer, 20, 30, or 40 minutes, get relaxed, relieve your pain, and go to sleep. The device will turn off. You get 7 modes of therapy, okay? And it's rechargeable. You don't need to buy any batteries. Now, this is wonderful for all of you out there who have pain in more than one area. Now, how many of you suffer with lower back pain? Well, let me show you something, okay? I gotta put another set of pads on my low back, and I'm gonna plug them in, okay? And you can relieve your back pain at the same time as you're relieving your shoulder pain. How good is that? How many of you woke up this morning with back pain? Or your vacation is ruined because of your back pain? Well, Dr. Ho, you never have to worry about that, okay? In fact, if you take a vacation, you can bring this with you on the cruise boat. When you go overseas, you don't have to worry about plugging it in because you can just fully charge it. It's good for several weeks of treatment. Okay, look at this. I'm treating the tension in my shoulder, okay? How many attention right there, from the vacation time, there's lots to do, a lot of visiting. I can control the intensity to those pads on my shoulder with this setup button. That feels good now, okay? Now, separately, I got those big pads on my lower back. And I have a second set of pads, control buttons here. I use that, turn up a little bit of time. Ooh, okay, now I'm getting the stimulation inside my back. Now it's hard to describe. You don't see much on TV, but when you have this on, it feels like someone's massaging you from the inside out. And right away, the muscles start to relax, the circulation starts to get better, and the pain just starts to melt away. After about 10 or 20 minutes, you say, wow, I can actually move so much looser now, okay? If you're the type of person that often wake up at night with that really stiff back, feel like you're 100 years old and your posture is all bad, after using about 20 or 30 minutes, you say, wow, I feel good. I can tackle the day with no hassle. You can take this to work, and use it anywhere. Okay, let me show you again what you're gonna get here. This is a really big package. In fact, when we reviewed last year, so many people are buying multiple units. I just ran to a man, he bought 33 units.
Dr. Ho, can a husband and wife share one unit, or do you can have one for a family?
Yes, this is really like 2 units in one. So yes, 2 people can actually share the same unit.
Okay.
Good question, Helen, okay? So this is a 2-port with separate control. Yes, so 2 people can share, or for a lot of my patients, they get pain everywhere. So that's why I do this, so that you treat 2 at the same time. Okay, you get control here, you got a timer, so you use it before you go to bed. You got 7 modes of therapy. We got the AMP, pain relief technology, that's not available on any other system. You can go to a hospital and use a $100,000 machine. It will not do what this one do. You got the regular sized pads, okay, for small body areas, shoulder, rotator cuff, elbow, wrist, small body parts. We'll give you 4 more extra replacement pads. Again, it's rechargeable. It comes fully charged out of the box. Here's the adapter. You don't need to buy batteries ever again. Cost you nothing. You got a pad placement chart. Because I teach acupuncture, I'll show you where to put the pads to get better results. And there's a toll-free number in case you ever need to ask. But this is so easy, you can do it by yourself, no help needed. You're gonna get a big pair of the pads here. Those are good for low back pain, hip pain, knee pain. If you suffer knee pain, you're gonna love those too. Muscle pain from working out, exercise. Anyone starting a new exercise, this month, you definitely want to have this ready. Use it before to warm up. Use it after for faster recovery, so you stay with your resolution. And that is so hard for so many people, because once you get little aches, you stop. With my system, you won't.
Dr. Ho, would this work for like sciatica pain?
Oh, the best. For those of you, good question. If you get pain here and pain in the hip and go down your leg, with this system, you can actually have 4 pads, and later on I'll show you with my friend Henry how to do that so good, because so many people, 8 out of 10 people, suffer with back pain, and a lot of people with pain down the sciatic nerve. This is the best for that, okay? Now, you can get travel case, DVD. Again, normally we sell that alone for $220 on our own website. But today only, we also gonna add all these extra pads. And because they're reusable, by the way, they're 5-star rated, okay? At least 50 times or more, you're getting 500 treatment. My patient pay $100 per 1 treatment. So you're getting, okay, if you get 500 treatment out of this system, $50,000 worth of treatment. You're gonna save a lot of time and a whole bunch of money. And not only that, you're also gonna get a foot and leg relief pads. Use it for—
Which is a bonus. I have never done it where you get the foot pads included. So that's extra added for the new year, 2020.
No additional cost. Imagine. having the ability to relieve your pain anytime you want can change your life because it allows you to have no fear about being more active, about doing exercise, driving, doing all the things you love to do or things you have to do. I know so many people who suffer chronic pain because they cannot afford the time, the money, or they have no insurance, and that's why I developed this, so that my patient and everyone who suffers pain can now get a drugless, yes, drug-free pain relief system. Right. With modern technology, we can offer you the most effective pain relief system that is easy to use, easy to incorporate into your lifestyle because you can do it on your own time, and it's drug-free, so you can do it as often as you like.
Right, you know, I was gonna say, so buying it here at HSN is the greatest way to do it. That's because right. You get a 30-day unconditional, you know, return exchange, no problem. But this doesn't take 30 days for you to know if it works or not. It takes about a minute or two. So put down $24.99 and let us send you this huge configuration. I've been here over a decade. Dr. Ho was here before I was here. He is internationally known, shopping channels and around the world, and so popular here, and we don't want you to live with pain. Why not give it a try? You have nothing to lose. And Dr. Ho's gonna show it. Are we gonna do the testimonial now, Okay, so we're gonna take a listen to Robert, who is a longtime user of Dr. Ho's pain relief system. So take a listen and we'll be right back. We're gonna do it live in the studio.
Pain was located primarily in my rotator cuff, which led to muscle tension across my back and up into my neck. Would affect me in my workaday, my ability to relax, and more importantly, my ability to sleep through the night. Since I started using Dr. Ho, I'm finding myself able to get through the workday, much better range of motion, no pain, and most importantly, a great night's sleep. What I love about Dr. Ho is the variety of the treatment that is going through. You get the power, you get the intensity in a very small, easy to use unit.
That's Robert's experience, but if you want to know what all you think about this product, go to hsn.com and read the reviews. People don't just say things like, oh, it feels better, the pain's less. They say things like, it changed my life, Dr. Ho. Like, I got this for my husband, I have it, I bought one for a gift for, you know, everybody in my company. Like, game changer, life-changing reviews.
That's what we're talking about here. We're not talking about a massager that just kind of make you feel good.
Right.
We're talking about a device that can relieve the worst kind of pain. I've been in practice treating chronic pain patients for over 30 years. And it really makes me feel bad to see someone not able to do the things they need to do or the things they love to do. And they feel, you know, pain makes you feel much older than your age. With no pain, you feel much younger than your age. You know, for me, I love this thing, okay? My family use it, I use it regularly. In fact, I use it every day. My dad's 91 and my mom's 84, they use it every day. This keeps us healthy and active. I love playing basketball, and I have knee arthritis, okay? So I use this before I play basketball. I play almost every day. I use it, you know, to warm things up, and I use it again after I play so that I get fast recovery so I can play again the next day. And I wish that on everyone, to live a really active and healthy life, because, you know, research has shown that even small amount of exercise can improve, okay, your health dramatically and affect every cell, every system in your body. And listen to this. This is all you have to do to improve your health this year. You don't have to do a lot. Get my device, use it regularly. For middle-aged and seniors, use it twice a day, and go for a walk every day, okay? Start eating more fresh vegetable, you know, fresh fruits, drink more water. And that's by doing those things, your health improves so much better. By this time next year, you'll feel 5 years younger or whatever. I'm telling you, after this treatment on my knee, I can do so many things, so much more. And not only that, I use it on my feet. For those who have foot pain, take a look at this, okay? You're gonna get those foot pads, okay, right there. They're great, okay? They're portable, you use it just for anywhere you want. I use them on the plane because I fly long distance all the time. It relieves the aches along the arch here, the pain in this area, the pain in this joint. And for some of you who have, circulation problems in your ankle, in your calf area, it just pump away, just improves the circulation. And those of you get cramps in your calf muscle, which a lot of seniors do because our muscle, basically they don't recover the same way. This really helps to relax the muscle so you sleep without those muscle cramps. I'm telling you, after 20 or 30-minute treatment, you're gonna feel so much better. This is what you feel like, okay? After just 30 minutes treatment, when you get off it, you go, wow, I feel so much lighter. You get that bounce back in your muscle, and then you say, I can actually do things again. You go, woohoo, wow, you just feel moved. And for those who have shoulder problem, you say, hey, honey, I can change the light bulb now. We don't have to call anybody. Or you get out of bed, and you're not like this. You get a bed, say, hey, my back's loose. I feel like going to do something. Let's go golfing. Let's go take a vacation. Let's go play with grandkids. You can do so much more if you like when you don't have the pain. And think about it, it's drug-free. Yes, with modern technology, we can give you the most effective treatment without drugs, okay? And you don't have to make appointments with me, so you can save thousands of hours free of your lifetime. You don't have to sit in my waiting room for 2 hours, drive that long trip. You don't have to take something that might affect you. You do this at home in your own time. Now, my friend Henry here, he suffers chronic low back pain, and also he has those pain going down his leg. Now, before his wife tells me he was a grumpy old guy, okay, because he wasn't sleeping through the night. But the worst part is, his grandkids didn't even like him before, because he couldn't play with them. He said he can't drive that long trip in his old truck, and then he can't play with the grandsons. They like to play tackle football. But now, after using my system, he can drive that long trip, play tackle football with the guys, and everybody loves him again. And his wife tells me he's a happy guy.
Well, I don't think stop loving you, Henry. Let's not make it sound that bad.
And he can exercise all he wants now. And that's the beauty. Henry is feeling younger now than years ago, because now he don't have the pain. And when he does, he can manage it properly. Henry, can you stand up for me, please, okay? For those who suffer with back pain, it's no joke. I have treated so many patients, before they come see me, they try everything, and most of them are giving up. Their spouse drag them to my clinic. And with my system, it just makes it so easy and so effective. Big pass right here, okay, this works the muscle inside. It just relaxes those back muscles, take the pressure off the disc, take the pressure off the joint, relieve the pain right across your whole waist area. Now, for those who get pain in your hip, look how his muscles bump, moving again
shaking,
in his bum, okay? Because it's getting the massage from the inside out. Now, with this system, you can actually have 4 pads on, one over the hip, over the sciatic nerve. What Helen was asking before, can you use this over the sciatic nerve? Absolutely, you should. Put this right on your hip, over the sciatic nerve, and then put it on the back of your leg. This will relieve the back pain, hip pain, and leg pain at the same time. Now, let me take a look at unit here, Henry, thank you. Look at this system. This is a pro system, a class 2 FDA clear TANS AMS device with AMP technology. Here's the beauty. 2-port system, meaning you can treat 2 different areas at the same time. Perfect control, and it's digital. It's easy to see. You don't need your glasses. You can, even in the dark, you just press a button, it lights up. I designed this for my patient. I have a lot of senior patients, a lot of middle-aged adults in my office, okay? This is what they need, and that's why I developed this way, so that everyone, like yourself, can now get the most effective treatment at the most affordable price. Thank you, Henry. Now, this is for the whole family, okay? It's not just for people with pain. I highly recommend for those who don't have pain to also use this on a regular basis. Why? Because as we get older, Helen, okay, we need it, okay? Don't wait till you get acute pain. Because when you get acute pain, it takes longer to relieve it. But if you treat yourself every day, keep the muscle relaxed, keep the circulation going, keep any aches and pain you have from working in the house, looking after the kids, working on the job, sleeping the wrong way, sitting in your car, traveling, whatever it is. Relieve the pain and get active. And that's how you stay really, really healthy every single day for the rest of your life.
Dr. Ho, can you use it like for right at your neck? Like if you get those tension headaches, like all that tension? Because that's something that...
Oh, that is a really, really good question, okay? Yes, you can, okay? But I do have a better device for that. It's called the Neck Pain Pro. If you get on hsn.com, there's one for that. You could use a pass back here, okay, for neck and headache issues, okay, right there. But on the neck, the pads don't stick on very well.
Okay, we have the item number up here for that, and I can't, 668-780, thank you. Because I know a lot of you have mentioned that, how much they love that product, so I just wanted to put the item number up there for that as well.
That's a really good question, but come over here, okay?
Okay.
What I designed this product for is hard-working men and women. In America, everybody works so hard, okay? A lot of you spend time with your friends, with your family, and you're busy with your work, and you live on a budget. So you have no money, no time, and no insurance cover to regular treatment. And definitely, someone like Donna, she don't have time to come to my clinic. With your own system at home, you can use this to relieve your aches and pain on your own time. What that means is your life become more balanced. Now, Donna, do you mind? I'm just gonna lift the back of your shirt up, okay? Donna's also had the passion low back. So imagine using this at work, or when you're traveling, or just when you relax at home, you can relieve your pain on your own time, and that can change everything, because now you get all the treatments you need, okay? Listen to me for a second. This is drug-free. For every senior friends out there, for all the middle-aged friends out there, please do yourself a favor. Use this every day, couple times a day. It can really change your life. But don't just buy one for yourself. At this price I'm offering you, This is like a whole clinical package you get here. Think about getting one for your grandparents, your mom and dad, your spouse, you know, your guy friends, your girlfriends, especially the guys out there. Ladies, get this for your guy. A lot of guys have pain from working hard, playing sports, and you know, just from old problems, okay? And as they get older, okay, the problem affects their work, their ability to play, and their ability to sleep. When you get this for your guy, they'll work better, they play a lot more, and they sleep much more, and they'll have better mood, and they'll love you for it. Just try this. You will find this can change your life or for someone else who also suffers pain.
Actually buy this. So all you do is call the number on your screen or go to hsn.com and put in the item number. It's 583082. You're getting this entire configuration, including the DVD, the carrying case, and instructional photographs, exactly where the pad placement goes. And we're doing the bonus of the foot pads. I've done this presentation many times and we've never included the foot pads. This is new and this is a lower price. So it's a really amazing deal. We are doing FlexPay, so it's under $25 to get home. You still have that 30 days to, you know, use it, try it, see if you love it. When over 900 of you have ordered it today, but we've sold, I think something like Dr. Ho has sold something like 10 million worldwide and has been at HSN for almost 20 years. It's because it works. Dr. Ho is going to, you know, kind of show you, Henry's over there. Dr. Ho, how long does it take it to start reducing your pain? How long does that take?
Most people who try this for the first time will experience significant relief after just 30 minutes. Doesn't matter if you suffer the worst kind of pain. It doesn't matter if nothing ever worked for you. My device have technology, our own proprietary technology that I and my group engineer have developed over the past 30 years and refine every single year. This works like nothing else, okay? Don't let the price fool you. This will outperform any machine in the world. In fact, I will personally guarantee that my device will give you faster, longer, and better relief than anything else you have ever tried. If it doesn't work for you, please return it for a refund. I'm here to help you. I don't want to waste your time or your money, okay? This is so important for you to know. I want you to have the full confidence to try this and make sure this works for you before you decide to keep it, okay? But if it does work for you, like the 10 million people out there, please tell your friends, tell your family, show it to your doctor, because my goal in life, my goal in my family and everyone in my company is to help more people live an active, healthy life with a lot less pain. Think about it. If you've been thinking about getting this for yourself or someone you love, do it today. Why? Because every day you lose the pain is a day you'll never get back. Now, every night you don't get sleep is another night you lose. If your pain is keeping you from relaxing or sleeping, use it. Put the pads on your back, your hip, your knee, wherever. I put it on my shoulder, relieve the tension so I get a lot better sleep. The device have a sleep timer built in. So you just set the timer for 20, 30, or 40 minutes. You're probably gonna fall asleep about 10 minutes. The device shut off when the treatment is over. And keep this on your night table. If you do wake up middle of the night with pain, just put the pads on and go back to sleep. Think about that for a moment. It's drug-free, so you do it every day if you need to. And it's so easy to incorporate in your life because you do it in your own time. You don't need to make an appointment fee. You don't need to spend money. Because this is rechargeable, you really don't need to spend another $1 till after 5